How to allow remind me on your calendar notifications on your Outlook. In today's video, guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So first, guys, you have now to go directly to your Outlook. Open your Outlook like this, and after this, what you should do, you have to go to your profile. Here, go to the last button, settings, and here on settings, guys, you have now to go directly to your uh, as you see here, notifications. On notifications, guys, you will find here mail in and calendar. Click on calendar, and here you will choose, for example, for events, I will turn on remind me 30 minutes before, or for example all day events. And that's it. So you hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.